Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an email campaign in Salesforce. Creating an email campaign in Salesforce isn't just filling out a form, it's about structuring a marketing effort that you can track, measure, and optimize over time. If you rush through the setup, you'll end up with messy data and useless reports. If you do it properly, you get a system that tells you exactly what's working and what's not. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to navigate. Click on the app launcher. From there, search for and select Campaigns. Why this section matters. The Campaigns module is where you create campaigns, manage marketing efforts, and track responses. Once the Campaigns page opens, click New. Now you'll see a form with multiple fields. This is where most people get confused, so let's break it down properly. Fill in campaign details such as status, campaign name, ticking the active checkbox to activate the campaign, type, parent campaign, description, start and end date, expected revenue, budgeted cost, actual cost, and expected response in percentages. Why these metrics matter? These fields allow Salesforce to calculate ROI, compare expected versus actual performance, and generate reports. If you skip these, your campaign becomes just a label, not a measurable effort. Once all details are filled, click Save. Your campaign is now created and active. But it's still empty, you haven't added people yet. After saving, you can add existing leads and add new contacts. To summarize, creating an email campaign in Salesforce starts by logging into your account and opening the app launcher to access the campaigns section. From there, clicking New allows you to create a campaign by entering details such as status, campaign name, activation, type, parent campaign, description, dates, expected revenue, budgeted cost, actual cost, number sent, and expected response rate. After saving the campaign, you can add leads or contacts to it, making it ready for email outreach and performance tracking. This process transforms a simple email effort into a structured, measurable marketing campaign within Salesforce. And that's how to create an email campaign in Salesforce. The setup is the easy part. The real power comes from how you track and optimize it afterward. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.